Hey everybody, Chief Lukens here with your AI tip in 15 minutes or less. Here's a tip about generating or revising your PowerPoint presentation from what was generated in Copilot. So in another video, we had asked it to review a policy that we had downloaded, and it gave us 10 questions, and it also gave us a PowerPoint presentation. This was a public available policy that Chicago Police Department had posted. Sometimes we think that we just need to tell Copilot to do everything. And so you might find that you click on it and it's not really helping you do anything. I want to encourage you to click the tab beside Copilot, that's the designer. Click on the designer tab and it's going to go through and it's going to start giving you revisions of each page. You see how I can select each page? So I can say, oh, I like this one. And it will revise my first page to that image. I can do the same thing for second page, and it's going to give me a more colorful PowerPoint presentation. I come right here to the third page, and I can continue to do so on as I want to throughout this whole presentation. And while we're doing this, we're probably looking at it doing this within a couple of minutes realistically. I have all 6 slides revised, looking good, and I now have a presentation that is able to be looked at. People can go through it. And then the next part of this, of course, is making sure that this is accurate. So you want to read it, go over it, don't just send it out. You might have something in there that the AI sometimes will have blind spots and throw in something that it thinks needs to be there but doesn't. So you're going to have to check all of that. But at the end of the day, you're going to have a pretty good overall information. You send out your policy, you send out this PowerPoint presentation that people can look at, and a multiple choice question test. And you're talking that you were able to do something in probably 10 minutes, where this would probably be a half a day task, or maybe in some cases an all day task, trying to come up with questions and the like. So you now have something that is way more beneficial. And I just want you to know I'm always committed to public safety, and I want to be able to contribute. So if this is benefiting you, make sure you're sending it to somebody else that can benefit as well. Be mindful of your employer's policies, and always respect privacy and ethical practices. Please like or subscribe and share with that at least a couple of people that could benefit. If you have any questions, throw them in the comments and I'm happy to address them. Thank you and be well.